Hello, I'm Marcello, and these are dream pillows. A little girl invented these, and you write something on these little notes. You take it off, and then you put it in your pillow, and then you sleep, and then your dreams might come true. Okay. I wish that I had the series free Smashers. W-I-S-H. Oh wait, hold on. It's in the book. It's in the book.
Nice.
T. I wish for series free Smashers. In that little dream cloud. Go to bed. It's Tubey toy. What? Where am I? Where am I? What is going on? Wasn't I just in my bed? Where am I? Better go explore. What are those bones? Bird bones. The last thing I remember, I went to bed. I wished for something. I wished for Smashers. Let's go find them. This is such a weird place. Oh, I found a Smasher! Wow, it's a Smasher's little dinosaurs with bones, and you put together them. And there's free to collect, and you can only get them in those. This is what I wished for. Let's go look for a Smasher's pack. Over here, I found another Smasher! The Smasher's packed! And there's two visible ones. It looks like an octopus and like a one-eyed monster in an egg. My dream came true from my dream pillow. Let's go open them up. I guess I'm still dreaming. Thank you so much, ZURU, Margot, for sending us these. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Dinosaurs. Let's go open this. You could only, there's bones of dinosaurs, and then it comes with all of the bones, and you have to put them together. All of the bones are there. There's also a Smashers app, and they're on YouTube. Look at this big, huge orange egg. Let's get opening. Wow, a big, ginormous one. Ready, set, go! Whoa! My surprises are inside here, and then this is the map. This is everybody that you can collect. And over here, you're gonna need a coin. Good thing I found a coin when we first went here. And now we have to scratch from 1 to 5. All right, let's get scratching. Ooh, it's his dino dirt. Fizzy lava. Glowing slime. Fossil rock. Ice H putty. Ooh, and these are all of them that you could get in these ones for the building ones. A T-Rex, a Brachiosaurus, Triceratops. Let's get opening with this big thing. All right. Whoa, it's the same things that were on the map. Wow. Whoa, a small Smasher's egg, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. And here's that, that, and that. This is this faint Smasher egg. And Dinosaur first. So you take it out and you dig through it. Whoa, I already took it out. Wow. Oh, I found the mouth of the dinosaur and like the eyes. I guess from all of these bags you could find the rest of the body parts. I already know who it is because of the head. Hello, I am Heads from Dinosaur. You guys have to open up the rest of the blind bags so you can like build the big dinosaur. It's like a big smasher. And it's bones of dinosaur. Fancy lava's next, and we're gonna put that in this water. Okay. But gently, or else it will. What the? How is it overflowing? But I dropped it in gently. Oh, it's like a science experiment. Okay, now that's fizzing. Let's open up the next thing, which is this. It's a leg. Wow, let's wipe that off. It's his foot. Glowing slime. It's glow in the dark slime, but it's daylight, so it's not gonna glow. Let's take it out. Oh, it's his body. Oh, wait. Whoa. Oh, from the half, you have to together. From the half. Oh, it even comes with his tail, his spiky tail. This dream is turning out to be a crazy dream and a cool dream. The next one is Fossil Rock. I think we should put in some water. Let's put in some water, guys. Into the water you go. Just to loosen it up a little bit. Well, while that's doing it, let's do this, the egg. Ice punch. Little zipper. Oh. This is the ice putty. His foot's inside. Now let's do it. I can maybe just put it. Yeah. It's so soggy, that's why. Here's all of his body parts. Let's start building him. These instructions teach you how to rebuild your Smasher's egg. Instructions to build your dinosaur. I got T-Rex. Looking good. Now I just have to put his tail on and he'll be all done. Oh! It's a gigantic dinosaur and he's gonna eat me. Ow! Now it's cool. Now there's quicksand. I'm sinking. And I ate the quicksand. And now I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart. The T-Rex roamed the planet during the late Cretaceous period. That's 65 million years ago. I wasn't even born yet. No one was born yet. No one. And he grew up to be 12 meters long. That's super long. You know these eggs, these little eggs, they're dinosaur eggs. I'm guessing you're gonna find like dinosaurs. Oh, I just pooped! Another dinosaur egg for you to open. This is everybody that you can collect for series free. These are the two visible ones. Those two. One is an octodino, and the other one is a dino egg. Crack. Now I'm gonna smash all these eggs open. Whoa! We can't find it. It flew away. Let's smash open some more. It looks looks like we got the woolly mammoth. He's a zombie. His name is Xanath. And he'll smash it open. It's too hard. Okay, I'll just smash it open. And his name is Tubey. He looks like a very nice dinosaur. We'll look up their names after. Whoa, this came out of it. I got fossil rock. I'll just hold it. It's Crush-o-Saur. He's like crushed in the ground. He's a fossil. Another ultra rare. Yeah, another ultra rare? Oh my god! Wow. Oh, it's another Octodino. But it's a purple one. Another baby dino. I'm gonna do the last three. We got a golden one! Oh my god, some ultra rare. I'm so happy that we got a golden one. It's a Dinosaur, and he's a limited edition. He's trying to get out, but he's walking. We just got a crystal one. The Skull Smash, and this is Carcass. These are the limited edition, and he's worth 10,000 Smashers points. Wow, that's a lot. Wow, that's a lot. I love you guys. I'm trying to put my egg back together. I can't put it back together, and I'm trying, but I'm kind of tired. I'll lay down and go back to sleep. Smasher, smasher, smasher. Smasher, smasher, smasher.
When you wake.
Oh, what time is it? I'm gonna be late for school. I have this dream about serious free smashers. They're not even out yet. They come out in the summertime. What is this? It wasn't a dream. It's actually real. Wow. Whoa, it's an ultra rare head of a smasher, of a dinosaur. Wow, these dream pills really do work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tubey. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye! Subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.